Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you module motion study. Subject name is dairy plant management. Discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is motion study? Basically, motion study is the business efficiency technique and it is the part of method study and it is the oldest branch of work study. Every work consists some type of motion and these motion are productively used in the workplace to organize a better method of performing a job. According to a Gilbert, motion study is the science of eliminating wastefulness resulting from using unnecessary, ill-directed and inefficient motion. This concept is introduced by F. W. Taylor and his associate Frank Gilbert. Motion study, as the name itself indicates, it is the critical observation of the movements of the workers such as lifting, picking, placing objects, sitting and changing positions which are carried out in the course of doing a task. It aims at selecting the best method or technique of carrying out any activity which involves the least movement and which helps in minimizing the efforts. It identifies motion which are productive, unproductive and incidental. Then purpose of motion study. The goal of motion study is to enhance work performance through analysis and improvement of body and hand movements. Motion study can be thought of system improvement at a micro level and is a part of human effort engineering. In the contemporary work environment, motion study also involves reducing the ergonomic stresses associated with a job. This reduces cost, that is medical treatment and time loss associated with the work injuries, and it may also reduce production losses associated with hiring and training the replacement workers as well as rehabilitation of persons with work related injuries. For this purpose, the existing or proposed ways of performing the task are recorded and analyzed carefully in order to develop the implement an easier and effective method which ultimately results in a reduction of cost. This is because the reduction in movement is concerned with the elimination of unnecessary and unproductive movements so as to take a less time as possible in the completion of the job efficiently. The primary goal of this study is the improvement in performance both in terms of quality and quantity of output by analyzing the body posture, body movements and hand movements. Then principles relating to movement of human body. The laborer has to move her body with speed for performing a job. Speed of work cannot be increased without moving body properly. Second, the use of two hands at a time is also important to increase the speed of the work. Then movement should be reduced for doing all necessary materials, tools, spare parts, etc. has to keep very near to the hands. If the movement can be minimized for doing a job, then energy and time will be saved. And have to take rest in between the workers for removing the tiredness. As a result, work speed will be increased and total work will be much more. To remove monotony, have to arrange recreation and ultimately it will give a good result. Take care of health and have to arrange first aid that is necessary. Medicines have to keep inside the industry. Second principle is principle or rules relating to the workstation. All necessary materials, tools, spare parts, etc. has to keep within the range of two hands of workers at the workstation. Either very much needed to perform certain types of jobs. In that cases, work should be within the eyes range and sufficient light should be there. All types of input always be ready before starting the job. Space of workstation should be sufficient to do the job smoothly and workstation should be clean with sufficient air and light must be. Third principle is principles relating to the tools and equipment. All tools and equipment have to keep within the range of worker, that is near to the hands of worker. If necessary, the hands of worker have to keep free for doing any important job. In this case, the legs of the worker have to be used and have to use automatic system or conveyors belt for carrying input from workstation to other. All machines and equipment have to be in order, that is in good condition. As a result, no time will be wasted. Fourth principle is principle of good transportation. There should be a nice device to transfer goods from one place to the another or one workstation to the other. Better if there is fully automatic system. There should be nice device for receiving raw material from truck and prompt delivery finished goods into the truck. Fifth is principle of time saving. Have to study time for doing better types of jobs, every types of jobs. The aim will be reduce time for doing a particular job. In this case, human movements always have to be fast and the machine will be of in good quality. Then motion studies components. Motion study can be divided into three components or types. Thermic analysis. A thermic is a small part of a job. Gilbert gave 17 basic motions of a worker. Each motion is known as thermic. Micro motion study. It is the study of elements of an operation with the help of high-speed movie camera in order to eliminate the unnecessary motions involved in the operation and balancing the necessary motions. Third is principles of microeconomy. This motion study find out the correct application of theories behind motion elements to achieve synchronization of human body movements, best layout of workplaces and optimum design of the equipment. Then the five basic principles of microeconomy are principle of minimum movement, that is minimum must be less or minimum, and principles of natural movement, principle of habitual movement, principle of rhythmic movement and principle of symmetrical movement. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a problem solving session. Thank you so much for watching this video.